As the bull market approaches, it will be even more exciting with even greater profit potential. As some of you in the cryptocurrency field may already be aware, Launchpool is among the highest earning pools during bear markets with all new tokens debuting. This program is available for you to farm their tokens. We will be introducing Bitget's newest Launchpool, Alex, in today's video. So before we are getting to the project Launchpool itself, do you know what is Bitget Launchpool? Bitget Launchpool is a free platform for users to stake and farm popular or newly listed tokens. Simply stake with BGB or a designated token in the pool for free. This Bitget program gives everyone a chance to earn good while not requiring a big capital aside. Before we are getting into the further detail, reminder that this event will run from December 18th to December 23rd, so make sure you mark the calendar and do not miss any part of the fun. Activity: join the Launchpool normal pool promotion, stake BGB, and invite friends to grab a share of 199,186 Alex. Bitget Launchpool existing users can stake at least 100 BGB in the Launchpool promotion to grab a share of 199,186 Alex. Existing users can also invite friends to grab a share of 4,066 Alex. For each friend you successfully invite to sign up and stake in the beginner pool, you can receive 20 Alex, up to 100 Alex. Supply is limited, so don't miss out. Invited friends will receive 1,000 BGB Launchpool trading bonuses and coupons. The invitees can stake in the beginner pool and make earnings with the trading bonuses. That is all for today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the crypto world together. Remember, trade smart, trade strong, and trade safe with Bitget.